So over the weekend, I just completed a big project that I was working on for the past, about say 3 weeks. And now I'm at the point where, it's like, now what? So referencing my past video, the law of rhythm, right? Where you can't have an up without a down. So I'm riding that wave like up, 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 up. And then now I'm on the way down. I'm coming down from that high because it's like, where's the next project? When's the next project? Right? So the reason why I'm making this video is because I would like to acknowledge this moment when you have like this really big high and then now you're coming back down. And I've talked to a few people about this and they've come through the same situation. And it's basically riding the wave, right? You can't have an up without a down. The law of rhythm is like up and down, right? So right now, like, I gotta manage this high, continue to do these videos, continue to like put my head down and just work, continue to sow basically, right? And then just wait for that opportunity to reap in the future. So, yeah, it's one of those days, man, where I'm like, man, it was a good ride, but now it's like coming down and it sucks. I'll tell you that. So if you're in this situation, understand that I understand what you're going through right now and you're not alone in this. Just hang in there, stay tight, and yeah, just ride it out, ride the wave out, man. Anyway, that's it for me. I'm just gonna continue to sow over here, and I'll keep you guys up to date on the next one. All right, peace.